So in today's session, we will be going to do our assignment 1 from the chapter Tribes, Nomads and Settled Community. For that, first question we have, that is, what kind of exchange, किस तरह का बदलाव took place between nomadic pastoralist and settled agriculturalist? यानी कि nomadic pastoralists, those who were moving from one place to another places, and settled communities, that is settled agricultures, के बीच में किस तरह का exchange होता था? What kind of exchange took place between the nomadic pastoralist and the settled agriculturalist? As we have already done this question in the yesterday lecture, that nomadic pastoralists, they were giving wool and ghee, milk, these products they were giving, and on the other side, settled agriculturals gave to the nomadic people, that is grains, clothes, and utensils and other required products. So what kind of exchange took place? From the nomadic pastoralist, milk, ghee, wool, and from the settled communities, that is grains, clothes, and utensils or other required product. Is this clear to you? कोई doubt इसमें? So the second question we have, that is, who introduced the new method of rice cultivation? As on the Brahmaputra Valley, there was the tribal community which got a settlement and taking another area under their control, that was Ohoms. So they had started making a new method of agriculture production, that is rice production. So who introduced the new method of rice cultivation? That is the Ohoms in Assam at the Brahmaputra Valley. Is it okay? So third question, I'm going to repeat once again. What do present day historians use to write tribal history? They use oral methods to write about the historian history. Tribal historian history. They use oral methods to write. वो oral method use करते थे from one generation to another generation. Is it okay? Yes.
How were the
Fourth question is, how were the Banjaras important for the economy? For that, you have to look on your page number 95 from the book. Banjaras were important for the trade or the economy because they were the pastoralist traders, and they were changing their product from or selling the product by taking it from one place to another place, as they were traders nomads and controlled trade and commerce. इसके साथ साथ आपने दो पॉइंट और लिखने हैं. Here I have written very simple points which I am going to read. That is, they played an important role in transporting grain from the area to the city market में भेजते थे, and they were also they had important role. The Banjaras were very important for the economy, but यहाँ पर मैंने दो पॉइंट जो हैं वो नहीं बोले हैं. As Alauddin Khalji has also used them to transport the goods from one area to another area. Second is that उसमें Mughals military commanders जो हैं, they were also using these Banjara community during their military campaigns, transportation of grains for their military campaigns. So ये दो points भी आपने बीच में add करने हैं. Is it okay? So that is why Banjaras were important for the economy. Traders, they were the traders nomads. और इसी के पेज नंबर 95 पर सेकंड पैराग्राफ में सेकंड लाइन है, that is, their caravans were also called tanda. This is 1 mark question. You have to write as question number 10th on your assignment. I told you ना कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन करना है आपने. 8 question I have already given. 9th question, write a note on Gond, and 10th question, the caravan was called as dash. क्या कहलाते थे caravans?
Tanda.
Tanda. It is given here on page number 95. So this answer you have to write on your notebook. This is 1 mark question. So 5th question, mention some special feature of tribal societies. Tribal society के special features क्या हैं? क्या थे? फिफ्थ आंसर देखिए, some special feature of tribal societies are they did not follow social rules and rituals which the Brahmins prescribed. उन्होंने जो ब्राह्मण्स ने प्रिस्क्राइब किए थे, ब्राह्मण्स had created the new system of caste in spite of Varna system, because Brahmins were getting the land grants from the tribal communities, and due to giving recognition to that, they had started to give away the Varna system and introduce the caste system. But some of the people, they did not follow this thing, and they were not divided into many unequal classes. Actually they do not want to divide into many unequal classes. Artisans ban gaye, craft persons ban gaye, wo nahi chahte the. They just want to remain as a trader nomads or tribal communities. The member of the society was until united by the kinship of bonds. वो अपने आप को एक राजा के अंडर ही रहने देना चाहते थे. Is it okay? So next sixth question जो है, that is sixth question, how did the tribal people earn their livelihood? Tribal people कैसे earn करते थे अपनी livelihood को? Sixth answer, that is the main occupation of tribal community is agriculture, hunter, gatherer and herder. They combine these activity to make a full use of natural resources. पूरे natural resources का full use करते थे, because agriculture production करना, slash and burn करके, shifting cultivation करके, जैसा कि हमने Gonds में किया था, Gonds community, they were preferring shifting cultivation. So another thing is herding and hunter and gathering. So they perform all these activity. Some of the nomadic moving from one place to another in search of new kind of fodder for their herds, and they were also rearing the animals and selling it in the different areas. So these are the basic main occupation of tribal communities. Is it okay? So other tasks they were performing, that is dam construction, public works and irrigation system, as it is prescribed in the Oghams tribal community. That all the adult in the Oghams, they were supposed to be present in the warfare during the time of war, that they have to be there, and otherwise they were performing the task of dam construction, irrigation system, managing of irrigation system, and another thing is public works. So all these tasks are being done by the tribal community. ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हैं the Oghams. और Gonds क्या क्या करते थे? Gonds were preferring to do shifting cultivation. ठीक है? They were preferring to do shifting cultivation. So, seventh question, how the tribal communities changed after being organized. So, first of all, after becoming the large state, वो जब बड़ी states बन गई, for example, as we have studied, the Oghams and the Gonds, they become the largest state. Many tribal groups merged with Varna-based society because they were getting the new kind of social setup, because they were giving the land grants to the Brahmanas, and with the recognition of this Brahmanas, they were getting the title of Rajputs. So Rajputs जो बनने के बाद, as example is the Gonds Grah Katanga's king Amardas. He got the title of Sangam Shah, and after that his son Dalpat Rai, he was also get married with the princess of Chalukka Mahoba ki Chandel's Mahoba ki jo princess thi, that was Durgavati. So this way they had made a new setup of a society. Second point to have manage well-lit administration. Here I have written all these points in the keywords. आप लोगों को इन keywords को properly explain करना है for 5 marks. नोटबुक पे आप ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं, but whenever this type of question will be there in the exam, you have to explain complete sentences, complete explanation. As I have given first point explanation completely, second point की explanation भी मैं देने लगी हूँ. Well lit administration is just like the Gond, they had made it the central administration. They divided their administration under the Gard, Gad further divided into 84 villages. 84 villages were further divided into, subdivided into Behrauth or 12 villages. So this type of well-knit administration system was there by the large state tribal communities. Become powerful. They also become powerful because they were making the administration of such a big area. Gondwana area for the Gonds and Brahmaputra Valley by the Ohms. So next point आता है come into conflict with others. As we come to know, they come in conflict with others as the Mughals on the Gonds attacked. Also, Mughals attack on the Ohms. ओहम्स के ऊपर मुगल्स के किसने अटैक किया था? मीर जुमला ने. और गॉन्ड्स के ऊपर किसने अटैक किया था? असफ खान ने. Mughals also attacked on these kingdoms because they were becoming powerful. So, come into conflict with others. This is again the same explanation that they were being invaded by the different rulers and they were also being attacked by the different ruler. Established large state. Graha Katanga, 70,000 villages. It was a large state. So, I hope it is clear up to this that I have written keywords and you have to give example for the same or explanation for the same. Next question, that is 8th question, that is write a note on ohms. अब ohms के बारे में first point, ohms कहाँ पर थे? Location कहाँ पर है ohms की? Same point I have taken it from the book. मैंने simple point लिया so that you can understand all the points which is given in your book. मैंने book में से ही आंसर आपका ये develop किया है. First point I have taken location. और जिस तरह से मैंने ये वाला question develop किया है, answer develop किया है, in the same way you will be going to develop your answer for the Gonds. So first is location. The Brahmaputra Valley has migrated from the present day Myanmar in 13th century. Second point, that is
mute मैंने उसको.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So second point is origin. Origin कहाँ हुआ था? During 16th century, they annexed the kingdom of Chutias and Koch Hajo. ये मैंने कल करवाए थे. Chutias and Koch Hajo, जो कि असम के अंदर ही छोटे kings थे, tribal communities के, उनको अंडर करके, अपने अंदर annex करके, कब्जा करके, अपने large state में इन्होंने बना लिया था and become a large state in 1550. इनके मैंने years नहीं लिखे because it will be complex for you to learn all the years. So मैंने सिर्फ एक ही year लिखा है, that is 1550. When they become, the Ohms become a larger state. Then administration. अब इनका administration, अब देखो Gonds का administration और Ohms का administration दोनों point आप same लिखोगे, ऐसे ही लिखोगे. यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है Ohms का administration, आप उसमें लिखोगे Gond का administration. So administration depend upon forced labor, means pack. ठीक है? Ohms में कौन सा था administration? Forced labor. Census of the population was taken. According to the census, wherever there was a less population, so on the rotation wise, the population was being migrated from one area to another area. So next is people from heavily populated area were shifted to low populated area or less populated area. Is it okay? Administration part is okay, Harshbir? नेक्स्ट आ जाता है रिलीजन. रिलीजन इनका अपना रिलीजन था, दैट इज वर्शिप देयर ओन ट्राइबल गॉड. And because they were giving recognition, they were giving land grants to the Brahmanas. So Brahmanas start making temples over their area. So Hinduism become a prominent religion. क्यों बना हिंदू prominent religion? Because they were giving special recognition to the Brahmanas giving special features to them also. That is why temples were start developing over this area and Hinduism was becoming a prominent religion. Then society, fifth point जो है society was divided into clans and khel. यहाँ की society, khel controlled several village, peasants were taken or given land by the village community, and the king could not take out that land without the consent of a village community. विलेज कम्युनिटी के बिना राजा भी जिस पेजेंट को लैंड दे दी वहां से वापस नहीं ले सकता था. So this is all about your answer. Write a note on Ohm. This is for 5 mark. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है दैट यू हैव टू राइट, मैं उसकी हेल्प कर सकती हूँ आपको हाउ टू राइट. अब इसमें एक और पॉइंट मैं आपको दे देती हूँ. आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन यू लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल. लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल दिया हुआ मैंने. Life of the people, how the society was very, as they were having their own language, they were giving emphasis on the special attention toward the poets, toward the scholars, toward the brahmanas. They were giving land grants to them. So, and another, जैसे कि इंट्रेंट्स थे, इंट्रेंट्स द कम्युनिटी विच वर टेकिंग द और गिविंग द प्लेजेंट or entertainment to other common people, that entrants were also being encouraged over here by the Ahoms. So Sanskrit was also being translated into the Asmi and the local Ahoms language. So this type of life of the people was there under the Ahoms. Same point आप लोगों ने लिखने हैं Gonds के लिए. Is it okay?
Yes.
Where will be the location of Gonds? Write a note on Gonds के लिए क्या करेंगे? Gonds live in the forest area of Gondwana, that is central India, including the area of Maharashtra, adjacent to the UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand and Chhattisgarh. Large area, that is forest of Gondwana. Origin was done during the 16th century. इसका expansion जो हुआ, that was done in 16th century. Then administration, वहां का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था खेल वगैरह का. यहाँ का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है, it is centralized administration. If you want to write, you can write. Centralized administration divided the Grah called clan, further divided into 84 village, subdivided into 12. Behroth, as we can write, Churasi was divided into Behroth, made up of 12 village. Next concept आता है society. फोर्थ पॉइंट आप, फर्स्ट पॉइंट लोकेशन हो गया, सेकंड पॉइंट आपका ओरिजिन हो गया, थर्ड पॉइंट आपका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, फोर्थ पॉइंट आपका आएगा सोसाइटी. The nature of Gond society was changed because of becoming the larger society. Equal society gradually divided into unequal classes because they were transferring from the tribal community to the Rajput community. ठीक है, अपने आप को राजपूत सोसाइटी में आ रहा है. So Brahmanas receive land grants. That is why Brahmanas were giving recognition to these tribal community leaders, kings, as a rulers or as a Rajputs. So recognized as a Rajput हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, recognized as a Rajput. Fifth point आप लिख सकते हैं, that is life of people. सभी ने, is it clear बच्चे? So life of people. Gond prefer shifting cultivation. Gonds, they prefer shifting cultivation. They were having large area under their control. Example, Grahakatanga. It was a rich state, even attacked by the Mughals. ब्रैकेट में लिखिए, मुगल्स किसने अटैक किया था? असफ खान. After getting attack from the Asaf Khan, they become weak. Next point लिखेंगे, rulers. Rulers, Amardas. After that, Durgavati. They become the strong ruler of Grahakatanga and got the title of Sangam Shah. They got the title of Sangam Shah. Then decline. इस कम्युनिटी का डिक्लाइन क्यों हुआ? Because Mughal attack on them. Later on, Bundes and Marathas also attack on them. That is why this Graha Katanga, Rani Durgavati, got the title of Sangamsha. She was also died. Due to that reason, they lost their, uh, you can say, prestige, or they lost their territory under the Bundels and Marathas and become very weak. Is it okay? I hope it is clear and you will be able to write complete assignment on your notebook.